1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi friends, my name is Tim First and welcome to the First Infosec Podcast, your guide to the world of informational security. This is episode number 7 and today we will talk about broken access control. In 2017, broken access control was in the 5th position. Since then, the risk became far more prevalent. Most spread common weakness enumerations include CWE200, exposure of sensitive information to an unauthorized actor, CWE201, insertion of sensitive information into sent data, and CWE352, cross-site request forgery. Access control restricts the actions of users according to their permissions. If it fails, something bad like unauthorized information disclosure, modification, destruction of all data, and performing a business function outside the user's limits can happen. Here are the most common access control vulnerabilities. Violation of the principle of least privilege or deny by default, where access should be only granted for particular capabilities, roles or users, but is available to anyone. Bypassing access control checks by modifying the URL, parameter tampering or browsing, internal application state or the HTML page, or by using an attack tool modifying API requests. Permitting viewing or editing someone else's account by providing its unique identifier, insecure direct object reference. Accessing API with missing access controls for post, put, or delete. Elevation of privilege, acting as a user without being logged in, or acting as admin when logged in as regular user. Metadata manipulation, such as replaying or tampering with a JSON web token, access control token, or a cookie or hidden field manipulated to elevate privileges, or abusing Java web token invalidation. Coarse misconfiguration allows API access from unauthorized, untrusted origins. Force browsing to authenticated pages as an unauthenticated user, or to privileged pages as a standard user. How to prevent broken access control? Access controls have to be implemented in trusted server-side code, so the attacker cannot modify the access control check or metadata. Here are some rules to follow. Deny by default, except for public resources. Implement access control mechanisms once and reuse them throughout the application, including minimizing cross-origin resource sharing usage. Model access controls should enforce record ownership rather than accepting that the user can create, read, update, or delete any record. Requirements for the business limits of unique applications must be provided by domain models. Disable web server directory listing and delete file metadata, for example, .git folder, and backup files from web routes. log access control failures, and alert admins when appropriate, for instance, repeated failures. Rate limit API and controller access to minimize the harm from automated attacks. Invalidate stateful session identifiers on the server after logout. Stateless Java Web Tokens have to be short-lived so that the window of opportunity for an attacker is minimized. For longer-lived Java Web Tokens, it's highly recommended to follow the OAuth standards to revoke access. Let's see example attack scenarios. Scenario number 1. The application uses unverified data in a SQL call that is accessing account information. An attacker simply modifies the browser's ACCT parameter to send whatever account number they want. If not correctly verified, the attacker can access any user's account. Here is the example of such request. Scenario number 2. An attacker simply forces web browser to target URLs. Admin rights are required for access to the admin page. If an unauthenticated user can access either of these pages, it's a flaw. If a non-admin can access the admin page, this is a flaw. This is all for today. Thanks for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If so, click the like button, leave a review, and share the episode with your friends on social media. Also, you can follow the channel and check out other episodes. If you want me to dive deeper into some topic, please write us an email to infosec@think.kz. See you soon!